Hello, in this video we are going to speak about how to match a comma or a dot when it is part or not a part of a number. Basically, we'll be speaking about how to match a dot or a comma when it is in between digits and when it is not in between digits. So let's have a look at our test strings. They contain commas and dots. To make sure we match a comma in between digits, we can use a positive look behind and a positive look ahead here, and we match two commas in this first string and one comma in the second string only in between digits. If we want to match a dot, we use \dot pattern here, and we match all dots in between digits. If we want to match either dot or a comma in between digits, we use this character class here. And if we want to remove everything, we just keep the empty string as the substitution pattern, and you see that there are no more dots and commas in between digits in the output. We can also replace them with a pipe symbol, for example. Now let's do the opposite. Let's try and match comma or dot that are not part of a number. In this case, we can't just reverse the lookarounds and use negative look behind and look ahead. In this case, we'll match any comma or dot that is either not preceded with a digit or not followed with a digit. Let's have a look. You can see that the two commas in the first test string, the comma between def and 2 and the comma between 0 and x, are not matched. In the second test string, you see that the comma between dot and 1 is not matched. These commas must match because they are not part of a number. In this case, we need to nest lookarounds. For example, we match any comma or dot that are not followed with a digit that is in its turn preceded with a digit and any character. Now you can see that we match the right dots and commas in both test strings. So once again, this pattern matches any comma or dot that is not immediately followed with a digit, that is immediately preceded with a digit and any one character. And remember, you can just match a single dot like this or a comma like this. And you may substitute the matches with any other symbols or even words. If you have doubts regarding how to use this pattern in your code, don't forget to check the code generator page and select the language you are interested in. You can see the pattern explanation on the right. You can find more examples like this if you follow the links in the further links section. And if you like my video, please click like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it yet. Thank you for watching and happy regexing!